Hi everyone, my name's Christina. I'm a Herbalife wellness coach, and today I'm going to show you how to make Herbie Chocolate Crackles. So first off, all you need is some coconut oil melted, some rice bubbles, the chocolate Formula 1, and then whatever toppings you want. So today I'm using natural dates because they just taste yum and it adds that little bit of sweetness. And you can really add whatever you want. I'm using chopped up goji berries, but you can use pepitas or shaved coconut, whatever you want. Even natural peanut butter will taste amazing with it. So first off, we're going to chop up your dates and heat up your oil in the microwave. If you've got a glass jar, you can heat it up in the microwave for about a minute 20. If you haven't got a glass jar, just pop it in some boiling water and just let it kind of slowly melt. Or if you live somewhere really hot, then it might just be melting all the time. So next off, you want to chop up your dates. With your dates, really simple. Just with a sharp knife, put a little cut in it, bend it open, and squeeze a little pit out. Alright, you don't want to keep them in because you'll break your tooth on it. Alright, then just chop it up really roughly. Really careful with your fingers. So this is a good recipe to involve kids in, but with chopping up the dates, try and keep it with the adults, alright? So you just want to add them to a bowl. Just usually about 3 dates I usually use, because otherwise it gets too sweet. Then you want to do is you want to scoop in your powder. So usually you can do probably about 6 to 8 chocolate crackles with about 6 scoops. Today I'm just going to make 4 chocolate crackles, so really you can just multiply how many you want. And they don't have to be completely level, they can be a bit rough. There we go, 4. And then a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So you just want to get a normal size spoon and just give it a quick mix, making sure there is no lumps in it. It smells amazing. Okay, so see how it's all nice and mixed in? Extra gooey but extra nice. Alright, next you want to grab about a cup of rice bubbles. This will make you about 5 chocolate crackles. Feel like me? Just a little bit more. Alright, and then slowly working in. So you kind of want to scoop it from the outside in. Just like if you were doing like a sponge cake, trying not to get the air out of it. And this way you won't get it all over the bench as well. So slowly working it all in. If you do it really hard, you actually break the rice bubbles and it will actually break down from the heat of the coconut oil. So doing it nice and gently just gets it really nice. There you go. Alright, and then what you can do is using a cupcake holder, put your patty pans in and just scoop it out. Nice and even. There you go. And these are a perfect little treat. Because you're using about 4 scoops of the powder, one of these equate to a perfect size snack. If you're having 2 of them, that equates to a full size shake. So if you're going to skip a meal and have 2 of these, it's a perfect little treat to have. But if you're going to have it as a snack, trying to stay at 1 is the best way to do it, otherwise you're kind of going to be overindulging and just slightly going over your calorie amount. Really good as a protein based snack as well. So fill them right up. Trying not to make too much of a mess. There we go. Now if you want to decorate it, you can use whatever you want, whatever topping. I'm using little goji berries, which I've just chopped up in my little Turbo Chef happy chopper. And then sprinkling on top. Just makes it a little bit pretty. And also adds that little extra hint of nutritional goodness. Goji berries are a superfood, so they're really, really good for you. Fantastic for lowering your blood pressure, among all the other awesome qualities that they do. Sprinkle that on. So once you've made your chocolate crackles, put them in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes and they'll be perfectly set. Fantastic for kids' parties or socialising or just your general lunch snacks, whatever. And you can really be playful as you want. I've made 3 different flavours. So the first one I did with the berry formula one. And I just added some sugar-free marshmallows to them just to decorate them. So that's a berry one. These ones are chocolate peanut, so using organic peanut butter, add a big tablespoon of that and just some fresh cashews on top. And then lastly we've got our date chocolate crackles with goji berries on top. Enjoy!